are the brand new AirPods Pro 2. It comes with the usual instruction manual, lightning cable, and different sized silicone ear tips ranging from extra small to large. The new AirPods Pro case features a speaker that will play a sound when you use the Find My app to locate your missing AirPods. It also has a lanyard loop where you can attach your AirPods to a backpack or other large items. You can also wireless charge them with your Apple Watch charger. This is my first wireless earbuds and the sound quality is amazing. They sound better than my wired earphones. The new H2 chip helps deliver better noise cancellation than the previous generation as it completely blocks out the outside noise. They also claim you get 6 hours of battery life with Active Noise Cancellation on, which is up from the 4 hours of the first AirPods Pro. They've also increased the bass and clarity, especially in the mids and the highs. This is another winning product from Apple that I would highly recommend.